Hi everyone, welcome to Riotouch. This is Shane from Riotouch Technology. In this video, I will show you our LTC Series 311D2 interactive flat panel. It's a high performance device and it widely used in office, school, hospital, and exhibition. And as you can see behind me is the LTC Series 311D2 interactive flat panel. So let's figure out more about it. So this 311D2 equipped with 8-core CPU, also with the 8-core GPU for smooth graphic performance. It can still maintain fast running under multitask and easy to display large files without stuck and lagging. And for the RAM and ROM, 311D2 provide 4 GB and 8 GB RAM for you to choose, and 32 GB, 64 GB, and 128 GB for the storage. And about the operating system, 311D2 equipped with Android 13 system. It also supports Windows system, Mac, Linux, and Chrome OS. As you can see, the appearance is a whole brand new design with black color aluminum frame, giving a professional and modern look. 311D2 has very thin borders on the left and right hand side, slightly wider at the top and the bottom due to the camera microphone ports and buttons. But it still make the screen visually larger. And for the screen, 311D2 use Ultra HD LED panels, anti-glare glass with zero bonding. And all of our interactive flat panel products have 65, 75, and 86 inch for you to choose with high resolution and 60 Hz. And we also have larger screen size such as 98, 100, 105, and 110 inch. So behind me, this 311D2 size is 75 inch. It has 175 viewing angle and high brightness provide a good visual experience. This product uses infrared touch technology, support multi-touch capability up to 40 touch points. This allows multiple students to write on the screen at the same time. As you can see, the middle top of the border is an AI camera. This camera has a function called AI sound source localization. It can automatically focus on the speaker. For example, when many people appear in the picture at the same time, it can quickly focus on the source and location of the speaking voice. So for the camera, we provide 30 MP and 48 MP for you to choose. And it's 120 wide angle, where it can cover the whole classroom and meeting room. Line up on the left and the right side of the camera are 8 microphones. The wide area microphones allow it to receive sound to resource 10 to 12 meters away. It can also cover entire classroom and meeting room. So after I open the camera, it's now the home view mode. And if I use 3 fingers, camera will into the speaker mode. And it will track my face all the time, even though I'm looking in the classroom anywhere. And I use this. The camera will back to the home view mode. On the left side of the bottom is the connectivity and voice area, as well as the NFC function. With the NFC card or any other mobile devices support NFC function, you can start or shut down the devices. So let me show you. So I use my watch here. So you can shut down the devices. And then I can use the NFC to restart it. And more NFC function will be updated in the future. And for the front ports, as you can see here, it has 3 USB ports and USB-B, HDMI, and the full function Type-C. And then in the middle are the pen holders and 2 30-watt integrated dual speakers. And we also provide an option 20-watt subwoofer. So the pen holder attach the pen to the panel by built-in magnets. They can prevent the accidental loss of the pen, and the high power speaker makes the sound quality of the panel very good. So let's view it together. For the buttons area, we have the power on and power off button and input source selection. Also open the setting menu and the equal button for the screen sleep. Also the back home, back to home page button and the volume adjustment. And at the corner is the fingerprint function. So use the fingerprints, you can lock the screen or unlock the screen. It's just like our daily use of our mobile phone. It's very convenient for our users. And on the back side of the panel, there are also many ports, such as earphone ports, USB 3.0, Line, SPDIF, HDMI in and out, as well as the Windows OS loads, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2 modems. So if you think that this interface still cannot meet your needs, we have expansion board for you to choose. And on the expansion board, you can have additional DP in, audio in, line out, VGA, and RS-232. So for screen share software, we use eShare application to share the screen with laptop and mobile phone. Let me show you. I open the eShare, open the eShare on the laptop, click Connect, and my laptop screen will on the panel. And if you think anything is important and you want to write something, just open the annotation mode and just write what you want. And also you can save this page in the local storage and mobile devices. Also, if you want to explore the picture on panel with mobile phone, you can use the QR code or the share code. For example, select it and picture and choose the limit time, 3 days or 7 days. Picture, you'll get a share code. So type the share code on our devices, you'll get this feature, or use your mobile phone to scan this QR code. And you also will get the picture on your mobile phone. And for the other software in this panel, we have the sidebar, we can close the Wi-Fi sphere or the U-cards. You can change location and the size. Also, we can click here to select any areas you want. You can click the QR code, go get a QR code here. Also, use your mobile phone to scan this, and you'll get the area you selected before. And other record screen. So if you think the class or the meeting is very important, just record screen and make it into the video and then share with the students and colleagues. And I mentioned before the annotation mode, and you can annotate any page and anywhere you want. And then you freeze. So click the freeze button, the screen will freeze and you cannot click anywhere. And move here to unlock the screen. Also the split screen. So we can split the screen into two parts. For example, I open the Chrome and the Bible. Okay, so for example, I use the AI pen. I get car. And also I can search out here. Teacher. If you see the teacher is move into the whiteboard. Also we can copy it for the other features. So like this. Okay, we also can change the different position of the application, and then close one, and another application will make into the screen. Also, the trial lock to prevent the trial blank this panel, and the eye care is to protect our eyes, and also the curtain function. That we can play a guessing game with the child, guess what's behind the curtain. It's very interesting. And we can preset different things here. For example, the classroom need high brightness and medium volume, and the meeting room or the showroom and living room. And we can set the applications you want to quickly start here. For example, I can add few pictures here. And after I change into the living room, it will up here, so you can fast start the application. And as I mentioned before, there is a Windows OBS loads and the back side of the panel. So this is the mini OBS for panel. So you need this OBS to operate the Windows system. So for this panel, I have plugged in the OBS, and so I can directly open the Windows system on the homepage of the panel. With RAM and ROM of the OBS, 8 and 60 gigabyte RAM for you to choose. And the shortage is from 256 to 512 gigabyte. And you can directly use the panel without OBS through Android system. But you have a need of Windows system, buy an OBS and insert it into the panel. You will get the Google system with Android and Windows. These are all the main information about LTC Series 311D2 interactive flat panel. Affordable and competitive price with high performance, which is very cost effective. If you are interested in it or want to know more detailed information, please feel free to contact us or visit Riotouch.com. We will be happy to serve you. And thanks for watching here. Let's see you next time.